Hi everybody and a warm greeting to all. So I am Anupriyanka of grade 10A and today I am going to explain in the chapter the surface area in volume, that is 13, exercise number 13.1, fifth sum this is. So the hemispherical depression is cut out from the face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. So determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So from this question I have just drawn this diagram. So from the cubicle, so inside the hemisphere, that's how the question I understood and I took it as a diagram. So the assumption for this, we'll be writing it as, let L be the edge of the cube. Let R be the radius of hemisphere. So from this we'll be writing given. So cube, that is the edge. Edges we are taking it as L, so that is 1. Then hemisphere radius is equal to edge divided by 2, so that is 1 divided by 2. So from this question we are obtained the given. So next, to find. So it's clearly given that we need to find the TSA of the solid. So now we will go to the solution part. So now we know the diameter of the hemisphere is h. So diameter of hemisphere is h. Then the diameter of the cube is L. So the radius of hemisphere is 1 by 2. This is what I have been said already. So the TSA of solid is equal to, so the TSA means the total area we want to find. So we will be taking the surface area of the cube, that is total surface area of the cube plus curved surface area of the hemisphere minus the area of the base, because this base is already in the cube, and if we are adding the cube hemisphere's base again, it will not be the proper calculation. So we'll write the TSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus area of the base of hemisphere. So the TSA of the remaining solid is equal to the edges surface area is 6 into 6a square, so that is 6 we written, so that we want to know the edge square plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square minus so the base will be in the form of circle. The circle's thing is pi r square. So when we minus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, we get 6 into h square plus pi r square, because here 1 pi, so 2 pi 2 minus 1 gives 1, so we are taking it as. So the edge is written as 6L square plus pi is, then r is L by 2 the whole square. So here this 2 is being taken here. So but this 2 directly cannot be taken here, but because the square includes this. So 2 into 2 we get 4. Into 2 we get 4. So this 4 we are going to give it here, that is division to multiplication. So 6 4s are 24. 24L square plus pi L square. So you all be thinking why I have taken 4 from here to here. So because here denominator, if you want to add this, so denominator is 1. So here 4 means into 4. So into 4. So into 4 is, so we get 24 by 4 L square plus pi R L square. So by adding all the thing we'll be getting, so 12 by 4, 24 plus pi the square units. So I hope you have been understanding this. For a clear understanding, so we will solve another sum in this. So if two cubes of edge 5 cm each are joined end to end, find the surface area of the resulting cube. So cube plus cube plus cube, we will be getting rectangle. So that is, it forms an cuboid. So the assumption, we can write it as, let height be h, let length be L, let breadth be B. So given is clearly that the length is 5 cm, breadth is 5 cm, so the height is 5 plus 5, so we get 10 cm. So to find, they have given find the surface area. So the surface area here is total surface area. So to find is TSA of cuboid. So say me now, what is the formula for TSA of cuboid? Okay, I'll say, I hope you have been guessing that. So that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So here 2 into L is 5 into 5 plus B is 5, H is 10 plus H is 10, L is 5. So that is 2 into 25 plus 50 plus 50. So which is, we get 2 into 125. So that is 250 centimeter square. So this is the final answer we get. So I hope you have understood the sum. So thank you for lending your ears for this much time. So thank you.